Hi, this is C with Creativity. I have a DIY tutorial of hair frills. And as you will see, I was inspired by Taylor Swift's new album, Folklore. Let's get started. Sailor Goon, hit that beat.
Here we go.
Don't throw away those disposable chopsticks. Just sand the end to make a dull point. While it's still hot, dip it in cold water to cool down the glue, and then you could smooth it with your fingers. Make sure it's warm and not hot to the touch. Wax will help us create a distressed look, so just randomly rub it around the stick. Sandpaper will help us remove the wax and then some of the white so the gold could peek through. Better frill than a locket. It can hold a picture, and a picture is worth 1,000 words, and those words can tell an amazing story which ties in with the theme of folklore. I'm using chains from an old costume jewelry. Pearls were perfect because they kind of go in hand with the idea of folklore, storytelling, and pearls are typically heirlooms that you pass down within a family. Pearls also came from an old necklace. You see the theme here? Locket is such a perfect touch. Just wish the pictures did it more justice because the finished product is so cute. I love the visuals in cardigan. That was what inspired me to do this project. I thought these flowers were perfect for this project because they're small and their muted tones help represent the simplistic nature of the two videos. Make sure to securely wrap the wire around each flower. The smaller flowers have a hole in it, so you could put the wired pearl through it, while the others don't, and so you have to glue the pearl onto it. I'm gluing the bottom so the base doesn't fall off from the flower. When using floral tape, make sure you pull it as you're wrapping it to activate the adhesive better. At the back of the lace, twist the wire in a loop so it doesn't fall. Just gonna trim these leaves so they'll be smaller for the hairpins. each cluster of flowers to its bobby pin securely. This project was pretty easy, but at least you'll know the basics, so later on, if you want, you could be extra. Wouldn't this hair vine look gorgeous on Tay Tay in that cardigan video with her and her 2 buns? Why is this making me think of that lyric? I ain't want none unless you got buns, hun. Okay, back on topic. I'm using these clear beads so the gold wire can peek through. Can't use jewelry wire, but I love using floral wire because you get more yardage for a better price. I'm gonna make different sizes of leaves, so that'll determine the amount of beads on each wire. So for example, if you're gonna do a small leaf, you could have a total of 8 beads on it, but when you bend it at the point, it'll have 4 beads on each side. And you could add a lace trim to the center, but that's optional. As you're wrapping the wires around each other, make sure you clamp the ends so it doesn't poke you.
So for in the air, summer haze, oh, the way the sun hits on your face is perfect. Summer breeze will carry us away, oh, oh, oh. And I'll leave you be if you end up right next to me. Mysterious.
To make it look more random, I'm gonna add a stem here with some leaves.
Oh, when you don't know what you between the sun and moon, you're stuck in the afternoon, wasting away. So do you, I say, I lead the way of your pain. You will sleep easily, dreaming of better days with me. So friend, yes, summer haze, oh, the way the sun hits on your face, it's perfect. Summer breeze will carry us away, oh, oh, oh. And I'll leave you be if you end up right next to me, mysterious care.
You could add a hair loop and you could use a bobby pin right here to pin it in your hair.
Wow, thank you. Over in the air, summer haze, oh, the way the sun hits on your face, it's perfect. Summer breeze will carry us away.
I feel as if we need a lace trim, so I'm gonna add it to this leaf right here.
I'll leave you be if you end up right next to me, mysterious case.
Trim any wire that are exposed.
So for in the air, summer haze, oh, the way the sun hits on your face, it's perfect. Summer breeze will carry us away, oh, oh, oh. And I'll leave you be if you end up right next to me, mysterious case. Oh, when you don't know what you want, between the sun and moon, you're stuck in the afternoon, wasting away. So do you.
Trying to get an idea where I'm gonna add the next leaves and stems.
Of your pain, you will sleep easily, dreaming of better days with me. memories will carry us away. Oh, oh, oh. And I'll leave you be if you end up right next to me. Mysterious case.
Okay, looks like we're about to be done, only because we're about to run out of beads, and that'll determine the number of leaves and their sizes. Adding the last hair loop so you could pin it into your hair on this side as well. We're done! Don't this hair vine look gorgeous? I think Taylor Swift will be so proud of our creations today. Hey, Tay-Tay, you know, if you want to borrow any of these, just call me up or maybe DM. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And also hit that like button. And if you don't mind, please leave a comment and let me know what you think about the channel. You know, I'm new around here.